What's up, you guys? Starting up the vlog. We're here at Joe's Automotive Body Shop. We're gonna put the side skirts on today. Excuse it if it's gonna be a because not everybody likes to film at their own place, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the jack pucks on in the meantime that he's pulling the car out so we can install the side skirts. And it's pretty much, we're just gonna drill and put them on. That's pretty much it, but I don't want to drill because my aiming is bad, so let's go ahead and do that. Side skirts are, I'm so excited. Oh, side skirts time. That's all you guys can see. They're working on Barrett Jackson cars. Stay tuned. It's gonna be sick. He just put them on the car, the first one. It looks amazing. That is so sick. Also, it's really clean and nice. See, right here. It's not like, you know, you go some shops in Phoenix, they're like all mess, but this is nice and clean here. Let's go. They look so good. Easy. It's done. I did mask tape from Home Depot, the painter's tape, blue tape. So they don't get rock chips on the way home as I'm wrapping the car, you guys. And I don't want to be yelling here because obviously don't want to put the camera in the people's face, but shout out to Joe's Refinishing, or Joe's Auto Refinishing here in Glendale, Arizona, just over Grand Avenue. Just Google Joe's Auto Refinishing. Shout out to them for installing the side skirts. Looks so sick. All right, let's go home now and I'll show it to you guys home. Well, we just made it home. Hold on, let me clean the camera a little bit. This is gonna be a quick video because not gonna be like very fast yet. It's maybe when I remove the so you close it from here so we don't get what do you call it, fingerprints. Let me turn the camera and show you guys home. And now you're wondering, why is it blue? It's not actually blue. I just put the masking tape so I don't get rock chips on it. So in the meantime, because I am installing my wing tomorrow, brain fart right there, really excited. Obviously when I get home I pop the hood so let all the heat escapes, and let's go ahead. And actually, I'm sorry if the video is wobbly because that's in the phone. Go ahead and move this is a masking tape, by the way. This doesn't remove residue. It doesn't stick on the car forever. It doesn't hurt the paint. It doesn't scratch the paint. It doesn't do anything to the paint. It protects the paint when you drive, actually. So I have driven hours to San Diego or California with it. See? Totally fine. And never an issue, even in the heat. Ooh-wee. Look at that. I'm so excited. They look so beautiful, so sick, so fantastic, so amazing. All the shoes in the world. And it's easy to remove too. So masking tape, blue tape from Home Depot, I got it. See, so I don't get rock chips on the side skirt. In the meantime that I am going to wrap the car. Stay tuned for that. See? And I'm gonna have to put them on tomorrow when I go. Actually, I'm gonna have to put them on. That's why I bought a roll. I'm gonna have to put them on when I go ahead and go pretty much everywhere until I get the wrapping. In about just under 2 months or 2 months. So let me go ahead and move the rest because I gotta lay down because some of it's under to protect it. And I'll show you guys the final product. So what's new is I vacuumed the car and I cleaned it, and everything. Looks how it's clean. Right now we're gonna go back to the side skirts. I put a towel here so I don't get my all the cars clean. Let me get the jack box. Yes, I did use jack box for them to lift it. And I'm doing the oil change. Brand new rotors, brand new and electronic brake pads, brand new pressure washer, a lot of brand new stuff in the car. That's how I always, you know, I'm not afraid to drive it to New York City and back because I know my car is maintained. And a lot of stuff in it brand new. Tires, fluids, belts and hoses going to be brand new. Spark plugs and wires. Now these side skirts are brand new. A lot of brand new stuff. So, and the car is already fresh and very new. So, we pretty much have a brand new car. But look how, oops, sexy, blinding. Look how they look in the garage. Looks proper. I'm not gonna remove the bra because I'm driving it tomorrow. The reason I put the bra is because obviously it's not wrapped. I didn't before. I had a couple of rock chips in the splitter. Now we learned our lesson. I fixed it three or four. Actually, it was more, like 15 mini rock chips in the splitter. Now we're good to go. What else? Everybody asked about that. That's the tire stickers. Rotors are going soon. I think I've seen a wrap on a C7 on a Corvette group page. I've seen a reflective wrap on the calipers. So let me guys know, what do you think? Let's do some cinematic stuff. Kind of mad at myself I did not put them when I first got them, but I didn't know. To me, if I get the part and I don't find the right person to do it, if I don't know how to do it, obviously, if I know how to do it, I'll do it almost right away. Or maybe wait a little bit, depends how busy I am. If I don't know, or if I know but I'm not sure, I will still take it to somebody, pay the $100, $200, $300, get it done right, at the right place, right time, right people. Gonna take my wing. It's gonna get installed tomorrow. Today is Tuesday. I think I'm gonna edit this video tonight and get it out either today or tomorrow. But stay tuned. It's gonna sit right here. It's gonna complete the look. We are ready for import face-off. My glass, obviously. The reason this car is shining because obviously, if you guys don't know, I don't know if I did not actually put the buffing video yet. So I gotta have, this is coming after that one. This is just like, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get this video out of the side skirts. Let me zoom out. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look how sexy this looks. The side profile. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna end the vlog now. Gonna go eat lunch real quick and I'm gonna go drop this off. So I'll take you guys with me. That's obviously our new house. You already know by now. I posted it on Instagram, but house tour hasn't came yet. But this video is coming out before the house tour. So once we get organized, it's gonna be like a couple of months probably before the house tour, to be honest. But that's the garage. Sneak peek right here. And all my stuff that people ask me about, the detailing stuff. Got power steering fluid right here because I'm gonna flush mine. Coolant was done. Transmission was done recently. I cleaned the air filter. So there it is in all its glory, LS1. The new spark plugs, you can see the video is already out on my channel. I will do a video, obviously, how my side skirt, how my my engine was clean, because a lot of people from the Corvette Facebook pages subscribed. So let's go eat some lunch and take you guys with me to drop off the wing for tomorrow. So excited, finally, after a year of wait. I had this thing for a year and this thing for almost a year. So about time. I'm gonna let it cool down. When I come back, when I drop off the wing, I'm gonna close it and we'll be ready to roll out tomorrow. Well, we dropped off the carbon fiber wing and tomorrow's the installation. Really nervous now that we passed the side skirts. The most part I'm nervous on was that side skirts and the carbon fiber wing. Other than that, if I change calipers, that's normal. If I change wheels, that's normal. It's not the biggest of a deal. You cannot mess up changing wheels, you know, other if you drop the car. God forbid. But tomorrow's the day and we're gonna be at IFO on Sunday, import face-off in Wild Horse Pass. I will catch you guys when I get home, because I don't like to film and drive, although it's a closed street, there's like nobody. So I'll see you guys home. Road to get home is super sick. Oh yeah, almost home. So the reason it took many months that I haven't put them on, because I just didn't find the right person to do it. And last time we pretended to do it, we kind of messed up. So when I get the part, if I don't find the right person to do it, I will just wait until I find the right person. We did, turned out amazing. Tomorrow we put on the wing. I'm gonna get out this video tonight. I'm gonna actually go edit it right now, put it for you guys. Thank you for watching so much. That's really my dream, to do YouTube and do it full time for you guys. And I have so many videos coming with this car: adventures, car shows, rallies, and in the process of buying my dream supercar. Well, I already got one supercar, my dream car, supercar right here. Then I want a mid-engine dual clutch. Obviously that's my other dream car. And Corvette just made the one, but we'll see. C806, pretty hot car. I want to wait to see what's coming after that before I pull the trigger on any car. Other than that, please subscribe, help me out, support the channel. It's free, and when you subscribe, turn on the notifications so it notifies you when I drop and post a new video. So like I said, edited this today. I'm gonna film tomorrow of the wing a little bit. I don't want to be just like because the dude is working, and I don't want to be like right in there filming and everything. So we don't want to mess anything up. But I'm gonna film a little bit from far if I can. Then I will show you guys the final product. That's pretty much the last piece, the wing. For me installing on the car, I've got the brake rotors and my brake rotors and pads already. They're in very good condition, but I'm gonna replace them to drilled and slotted. That's just a general update. Then I want to maybe wrap the calipers. We'll see what to do with them. But that's it. Please subscribe. Drop me a thumbs up on this video. Tell me what you think. Comment below. And I know I said probably people not expecting this, because I'm saying I'm going to do an engine detailing. How do I do it? It's already clean, but I'm going to show how I do it in the probably next 2 to 3 videos. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Thanks for watching.